Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS ScanWatch Nova, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the watch. To do it, press the crown button. Once you wake up the watch, use the crown button, basically rotate it to scroll through the list of options. Keep scrolling until you find the settings option, and once you find it, press the crown button to enter. Here, scroll through the menu, again by rotating the crown button. Find the Do Not Disturb mode option, and once you find it, you will see the status. For now, mine is off, and if you want to turn it on, press the crown button. It will switch to on, and if you want to go back to watch face, you can select back, and then scroll through the list of options to see the watch face. And on the watch face, if you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, you will see this icon which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you need to wake up the watch, find the settings, press the crown button, find the Do Not Disturb mode, and press the crown button to disable it. And then you can again go back to watch face by selecting back, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.